Hey, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this creepy clown makeup tutorial. Starting off, I have my white contacts in by Honey Color, and I'm going to go in with foundation. I'm going in with Maybelline Superstay Matte Skin Tint. I'm kind of out of this, so I'm just going to roll it on. I was debating on gluing my eyebrows down for this one, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape, the creaseless concealer. I don't have like a sudden whatever for Tarte. I just bought this in New York, and I feel like if I don't use it, it's gonna go bad. Elf's Halo Glow contour because I feel like it's almost empty, and I kind of want to start getting rid of some makeup. I'm trying to use up all the makeup, that way I don't have to buy any more right now, and I also just don't want any more. Kind of debating I was gonna do a pinned on clown makeup look, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. Get the teeth. Rare Beauty's bronzer stick. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna put blush on today. I never do that. Maybe I'll use the one from Kiki's Cosmetics. Bronzer on my forehead quick. We're gonna go in with Kiki's Cosmetics. I bought it. Don't ask when I bought it. A little bit ago. My sister follows her online and convinced me to buy one. But she told me when I did try it that I applied it wrong. So apparently we need to use the stick, and you don't rub it on like this. You take a brush. And that does make a big difference. Oh. There might be black on this brush. We'll find out. Looks a little bit like I'm bruised. That's okay. It's definitely black. It's okay. I feel like it adds to the look. I'm scared. Let me get an actually clean brush. This is a clown look, by the way, not a doll look. But maybe I'll add it on my nose. I'm gonna set my face with Maybelline Fit Me's pressed powder. I really need to wash my brushes. If you guys want to see that, let me know. I can film a video yapping while I clean my brushes, but I don't think anyone wants to see that. I feel like this would look good on my lids, but I don't want to overdo it. So I want to do something similar to this other look I did a couple years ago. I don't think you can see it. I'm gonna insert a photo of it in. But I'm gonna do something like this, and I just don't know what I want to do, so I think I'm gonna play around with my eyeshadow for a little bit. I'm gonna take Jeffree Star's Mini Jawbreaker palette, because it has these kind of purples and pinks. So I think I'm gonna do some pink eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this darker one here. I'm just gonna go in the corner. Teeny tiny bit. Not really gonna be able to tell the difference anyway. Maybe I'll mix it a little bit with purple. I'm back in with the pink. I'm just dragging it in a little bit more. I'm taking that shimmery purple and then going on my lid with it. Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm gonna do some crazy liner then, I think, too, to match with it. Love that. I'll deal with the under eyes later. It's not Wednesdays, but I'm gonna go in with the Wednesday black liquid liner. I'm gonna try to do some wings. That's not what I wanted to do. I feel like I should do something underneath, but I don't want to draw it in liner just in case I change my mind. I am struggling with lashes this week, so I'm going to put my fake lashes on and be right back. So I'm wondering if we take this and put it on top of the blush. And then what if we take this and use it as more blush? And then if we take this purple shade as highlighter. Oh, I also took my septum out. I think it looks better without it. Do this. I'm afraid to do the colors because I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so I have my Athena palette, but you can try this one. So I didn't realize that I was out of storage on my camera, so I'm not sure how much I lost. But anyway, took my septum out. This is where we're at. I tried the teeth on. It doesn't look right just yet with the teeth, and I drew these on. And I'm debating on outlining my mouth in purple to make it look like a clown mouth, and I'm not sure if I should do these like purple or black underneath. I'm gonna go into the purple up here. Hopefully this isn't too much to do. I feel like I'm messing it up. Looks like a mustache. I don't know how to feel about it. I feel like it looks like a mustache. Thoughts? I think it doesn't look horrible now with the teeth. I need to redo it. I think I'm gonna go in with purple. Maybe. And take the eyeshadow and just like... It's like a darker shiny purple. And that darker on my nose a little bit. It's kind of like looking like a deer a little bit. Type of nose, but it's okay. I'm gonna try to contour. This still looks like a mustache to me. I don't like how it looks for some reason. That made it worse. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild face paint palette. Fantasy Makers palette. Use the black again. I think I might fill it in black. Okay, so I think this is a little bit better. I kind of just redid it in black. I might go back over it and add like a brighter pink. Okay, so I found my like other part of the transition and I feel like I really gave it all away. Anyway, so I'm thinking I do one of these little spike things, like arrows, pink, and then I'm gonna do another one, maybe black. I think this is gonna look better. Okay, so I filled the rest in and I started outlining. Oh, I know I messed that one up. It bothers me a little bit. I'm going to fill my eyebrows in black, I think. And we're gonna like swoop them up. I think that'll be good. I'm hoping. I'm just rounding it out. I feel like I like how that looks more. I almost bleached my eyebrows and I almost dyed them pink a couple years ago. When I had pink hair. And I just don't know if that would have been the best idea. I wasn't gonna do the whole thing though. I was only gonna do like the I think it was the front half I was gonna do pink. And then I was gonna leave the rest brown. I have to outline this one though here. I like that. I might go over this again with some pink because I feel like it's not as like vibrant as it was before. Oh, and I wanted to take the purple and go on my jawline too. Let me just double check. I think I want to paint like a neck thing on. Okay, so I changed into a tube top here. You can't see it, so it looks a little bit weird, but I want to paint my neck. But I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to just try to paint this like neck thing on because I don't want to have to sit with the brush and do it. The question is, do I do pink and purple or pink and black? This is going to be so much fun to take off. I think black. Let's do it, Joe. You can kind of see this one, but not really. I think that looks pretty good. I kind of want to use the silver, but I feel like I should just use the black. Probably just use the black. It's just getting whatever I really need to sharpen it. Okay, I think we're done. Well, this is the final look. Here is my clown makeup look. I don't know if I should put the teeth in. I don't know how to feel about it, because like I don't know. I feel like it makes my mouth look too big. Like maybe I should just leave it like this. Well, here's the final look with the teeth or without the teeth. I'm not sure which I like. I think I just like both. So I'm gonna keep both in. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more Halloween content from me. I'm gonna be doing makeup, gaming, and a little bit of baking this spooky season. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.